tennis balls diameter 62 millimeter are placed in cylindrical card tubes, and you have been given a figure. You have to find out the radius of the tennis ball. So that is the first subdivision of this question. Okay, of this question you have one subdivision, which is radius of the tennis ball. What is given? Diameter is given 62 millimeter. So what will be radius? Equal to diameter by 2. So you will get 62 by 2, which is 31 mm. So that is very easy to find out, right? So your answer is option C. Now the next one is volume of one ball is equal to I'll be giving you options. You can just do the process and find out the answer. Okay, the options given are 125 centimeter cube, then 123.5, 120.30 centimeter cube, and 124.84. You do and tell which you are getting. How will you find? This is in which shape? The ball is in tennis ball, so it is in spherical shape, and volume of a sphere is what? Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here what is r, which you have already found out, that is radius of one tennis ball you have found out. So you can use that value, that is 4 by 3 pi. If it is not mentioned in the question, you can use 22 by 7, because the answer doesn't contain any pi. You have to replace it into r cube is 31 cube. Just calculate and tell me what you are getting. So this will be calculated value. After that divide by 1000 and you are getting approximately equal to the D part, right? Height of the tube, you can use the concept h is equal to 5 into the diameter of one ball, right? It is 5 into what is the diameter? How much you are getting? 310. Okay, 310 mm is the answer. Option C. Next question is find the volume of the tube. The total tube's volume you have to get, and you have been given 4 options. How will you find out the volume of the tube? Tube is of which shape? It is cylindrical shape. So cylinder's volume is, volume of the tube means it is equal to volume of the cylinder. And what is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Now you have to use the radius. Radius will be same for both the things. So radius is 31, which you have already found out, 31 mm. Again remember it is in mm. Now what will be the height? Height also you have found out, it is 310, right? Height of the tube you have found out. So you can just replace here. You can use the value 22 by 7 for pi. R is, you have got 31. So 31 into h is 310. So what are you getting as the answer is which option? 36288.57 can be, again this is in mm cube, so this will become 6.288. So approximately you can write 29 when it becomes centimeter cube. Okay, so 936.29 centimeter cube is the volume of the tube. Volume of the unfilled space or volume of the shaded region will be equal to volume of the tube minus volume of the 5 balls. Volume of the tube, how much you got? It is 936.29 in centimeter cube, right? 936.29 minus volume of 5 balls. You will get 5 into, so 5 into the volume of one ball, subtracting, you will get this answer. So this much is your 5 subdivisions of the question, first case study. So handkerchief is there, it is square in shape, it has 9 designs, circular designs, and each of radius 7 centimeter. You have to find out the circumference of one of the circular region. So what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Now replace the value of r with 7 and pi with 22 by 7. So you will get 44 centimeters, which is D. Okay. So finding out the total area of 9 circles is same as area of 9 circles is same as 9 into area of 1 circle. So 9 into what is area of circle? Pi r square. Just replace the values. R is given to be 7. So it is 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. Will give you the answer as how much you got? 1386 centimeter square. So the option C is the correct answer. So what will be the area of the circle? That is a question. So you know that if R is the radius, area will be pi r square. So not going through the subdivision itself, you will get the answer. So that is what you have to think, which subdivision you have to attempt. Okay. Radius of the circle is given to be 4r, means you have to find out the area will be again pi into, suppose I am writing pi r square. So I will replace r with this. So I will get pi into 4r the whole square. For the people who have any doubt, this is 16 into r square, right? Now here you have to calculate and you will get 50.28 r square. Okay, square units. So this is the answer, 50.28 r square square units. So the area of the square is a square if one side is a. Points are marked there. If not marked, you have to mark them and see. Okay. Now suppose the points, suppose this will not be given in the question, these will be marked. So you have to choose that. Okay. They will say A, B, C at this position. You have to go for what will be A. The coordinates you could have found out if it is not given. Okay. Now it is given. Now depending on this, the question is find the distance between Dinesh and Sohan. Find the distance between Dinesh and Sohan. So you have to first see Dinesh's position is A and Sohan's is C. So you have to find out what is AC. Okay. Where? In the first quadrant, which you have to find out is AC. A and C you can just see. So that is the main thing. So here if you write Dinesh, this is Mohan and here Sohan. So there will be not any confusion while finding out. Okay. So AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. You can just use like this, 3 minus 1 the whole square minus 3 minus 1 the whole square. So that will give you 2 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 4 plus, here you are getting root 20. Root 20 is 2 root 5 units. Okay. Dinesh and Mohan means Dinesh and Mohan is AB. Find out what is AB. Root of 1 minus minus 2, 1 plus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 7. Starting the problem, at least once you have to write the formula. Okay. No need to write in each subdivision. 9 plus 36. So what you are getting here? Root 45, which is equal to, yes, many of you have got, the answer is 3 root 5 units. Okay. This is your first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So if this one is not given, only the point is given, you have to know the first coordinate is positive, second is negative, means it should be in the fourth quadrant, like that. Okay. So the answer is fourth quadrant.